Hello guys, welcome to my sister channel, Divine Favor. We are in street of Benin City. Want to know what 2,000 naira can get for us? Let's go guys.
White one though.
I want the colored one. What is this one? How much? How much? This one, huh? Give us this one.
It may be
I don't know. What is this? Look.
and they can eat it.
It's already served now. Let's try it. Is this Benin food or what? Native food. We are eating
After the name.
what is the name again, ma? Uloka. Uloka. So, it's good though.
How much?
400 naira. So I'm gonna remain 1.6. Let's go in there. Oh, buy ice cream. Come. How do you sell it?
200, 400.
Oh yeah, give us 200.
What?
200. 2. This is very sweet though.
I'll ask you about the review later. Maybe see.
So put another one. This ice cream in Benin 200 naira. It's sweet though. Here. I want to buy a girl.
The abomination, I'll go and make video.
Okay. How much is the popcorn?
200.
It's not good.
200 naira. I put it inside Lelo. Thank you. So what next?
You go granite. Granite from camera. Granite.
I go sweet. How do you say?
300, 400, 500, 600.
Give me the one of 300. Ah, it's very small.
As soon as go.
300 naira. Thank you. We have 500 naira remaining.
Okay.
Thank you. So what? No, no, should have come. No, but should have come.
On the mangoes.
Let's go.
Huh?
I'm not going to okay. You want?
Mama, you don't go my picture. You don't need to go happy.
How do you sell?
Oh, 400.
I don't like this one. I don't like it. So let's go to that and check what 500 I can get for us. Benin is so fine though. I think a lot of tribe is yes though.
Yes.
Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. Many.
Many tribes though. They are mixed.
So here we have a plantain, roasted plantain. How do you sell, ma? This one. This one.
Mama, how you dey sell?
It's not 300. I'll give her this one. Give her the 300, 400 naira. So they are buying roasted plantain of the street of Benin, 300 naira. Our money we meant for the one. What is this? Is it fried meat? How much is it? Take, give us change. We are done with our 2,000.
It's finished.
It's finished now.
What else did you buy?
I want to collect my change. So I will buy water so to complete it. 2,000 is finished. So look at what we bought with 2,000. Thank you. So what else do we need to buy?
Let's buy water from this one.
Do you have water? We have table water. What's water? Table, yes. We don't have water. Let's go first.
So in Nigeria, 2,000 cannot even get you what you eat and be full.
It cannot.
Even if you decide to even buy rice, just small portion. So
It's not possible. Lie. So currently we are looking for bottled water to complete our 2,000 naira.
yes.
Everywhere is show. In bottled water. How much? 300. Bottled water is 300 in Benin. 300 in Benin. I Lagos is 300. 300.
Well, normally I've been sitting at 200.
It's 300 though. Imagine. Oh yeah, give me change. 300 in Benin, bottled water. Let me even test it. Hey.
There is always traffic around this area. There is always traffic. Always traffic. It's not yet evening time, oh. This is still afternoon. It's not even up to 2 o'clock.
Yeah. Thank
There's
you.
always traffic. So yeah, this is what less than $2 can get you in Nigeria. I checked it, I used the rate of 1,500 to check it, and it's giving me 3,000 naira, but we spent 2,000 naira. So let's just say less than $2. Okay? By the way, I wanted to test something. There is this thing you bought, Amara. I don't know, I haven't tested it before.
They
She
say
said
it's
it's a Benin snack.
Yeah.
Let me test
It's like sand. I don't know.
it.
It's like corn. They blended corn and
She
mix.
called it one name, I
I
forgot.
forgot it too.
You guys, what is this?
It's many people that ask this question to answer. I think it has one taste like that.
No. It's tasting somehow. The taste is not that bad, but it's not something I can buy on a normal day.
Cost us 200 naira. And a normal roasted plantain. 300 naira. Popcorn 300.
For the two? Is it for the two? Or
No, for one. But cigar I bought 300 in Benin. To water. 300.
By the way, compared to Lagos, where you are coming from,
200 naira bottle water. And the woman say from Koru, she will buy it 250. Imagine. Like, Nigeria is not easy.
Is this cheaper here? This plantain now?
No, it's not cheap. This plantain now you can see it in Lagos like maybe 200 naira. But here 300 and it's very small. And it's not like it's sweet. No one even burnt it. But choice. The groundnut is like, but I don't understand the groundnut. It's like they do not cook it very well. It's like something
So
they
imagine
fry.
if this is our last card. Now so we wanted to.
Benin, here I come.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Okay? Bye.